good morning. Today is the big day here. I'm going to pick up Figaro. Yay! I have clearly just moved. I mean, maybe it's not clear, but all those boxes back there and just oof the messes, but I am so excited to go get Figaro. Let me show you real quick.
Hello, honey.
So, I have a den here at my new place, and I have beautifully fitted the door with these towels last night so that I can do the Jackson Galaxy method of introducing cats so they can't see each other, they can just smell each other from under the door, and then, you know, I can do their food on each side of the door. We'll see how close I can get them to each other before they'll eat. I have not let Galileo in my den at all, so that is completely Galileo scent free, I hope, because like the furniture in there and stuff was not stuff that was around Galileo. Well, those couple of pillows were. But I'm gonna be working on unpacking in here today. I feel bad that Figaro's gonna come home to all of this. This is gonna be kind of like my filming and art room. Yeah, there you can see. So beautiful. I would recommend using like paper or something much more lightweight than towels, but this is what I had. And you know, the blue tape worked just fine. I mean, loads of it, but it didn't fall off all night. Granted, I only got about 4 hours of sleep, but 4 hours is better than nothing. But I've got him his litter box set up, and yeah, I think that's about it for now. I'm gonna get him food and water right when I get here so that he knows that I am the bringer of good things. You know, I'm his mama, yes! So, let's get going.
Say hello. Hi. Yes. Bless you. How you doing? Hello. Hello. Yes. Listen to your little meow. It's very cute. Fig. Hi, Figaro. Those are some mighty cute paws. You have got the sweetest little face. So many people are excited to meet you, Fig.
Sorry it's so dark, you guys. I don't have a lamp for in here yet, but here's the moment of truth. There, we'll go by the window. It's a little better. This is gonna be anticlimactic because this zipper is kind of stuck. Oh, I'm getting little kisses.
There he comes. Hi. Welcome home. Yeah. New bathroom. Wow. Bless you. Straight away, huh? Oh, you just wanted to go in there?
Oh, you farted! You farted! Holy crap. Oh, well, that was nice of you to go to the bathroom to fart, Fig. Oh my gosh, that was huge.
It was a big smell from such a little guy.
I think it's official. Figaro is an explorer. He also thinks he's pretty cute stuff. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I wish you guys could hear him purring.
Hey, no?
He has so much energy, you guys. I have legit been playing with him, like running around, pouncing, playing like this for probably at least a half an hour, and he is not even panting. He's not slowing down. You are just a bundle of energy. Yeah, I guess you're a kitten, huh? I forgot how much energy they have. I mean, I guess I didn't forget, but... Dang, dude. Dang. Well, maybe now you're tuckering out. Now that you're laying down. Maybe not. So Figaro just got out when I opened the door to go, you know, just... He and Galileo saw each other and... not instant best friends. I mean, I know, that was me being very, 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 very unrealistically hopeful, but... Oh well. They didn't attack each other or anything, they both just like... So, we're gonna make sure that that does not happen again, at least not for another week or so. Hopefully.
Galileo. I know, now you're scared again. I'm sorry. Yeah, he's right behind the door. Hi. Yes. You can mark everything with your face. Ugh, I feel so bad, you guys.
So a lot has happened since I last updated you guys. It's been a few days, but look. Look what's open and the towels are down. And they don't hate each other. I mean, this is a bad example. Fig is eating, but they, like, don't attack each other. They're very good. Is this a prime example? See? Look at them. Fig rubs himself up against Galileo. Oh, you guys, this just warms my heart.
Yes, and look it. Happy brothers. Hi, Fig. Hi, Fig. Hi, Galileo. He is the biggest cuddle bug. Yes.
This is a momentous occasion. Here's Galileo on one side going in for the snuggle. And on this side, we've got little Fig.
This makes you so happy.
presentation. We have 75 minutes. Starting now.
Oh my god, that was so scary. Oh my god.
We have to wow the judges.
Moonshine. And apples and bourbon and pecan and all that. I mean, that's American.
Our first cupcake is pecan streusel cake with a moonshine apple compote, cinnamon frosting, topped with a vegan strawberry crust and a southern ladyfinger, drizzled with some cherry moonshine reduction to resemble.
This is hardcore, dude. I didn't expect to get this hardcore today. Oh, there's a fucking bird. Is it dead? No, dude. Those are live birds.
I went to a club, right? And they had no baggy pants and no sneakers. That was wild. I didn't know what to think about that. Didn't know what to think about that. Hip hop, hip hop, hip hop, hip hop. Hip hop, hip hop, hip hop, hip hop, hip hop.